What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visual Modo WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to create contact forms, reservation forms, registration forms, appointment forms, any kind of forms using a drag and drop system on your WordPress website for free. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video, and share this content with a friend of yours. I have no idea how much it helps us because we bring daily videos about WordPress, SEO, plugins, optimizations, and many more topics not choose internet on our site's favor. So let's get this started. Very first thing to do is, of course, go to our WordPress dashboard, reveal the left sidebar of menus, hover a mouse over plugins, and click on Add New. Into the upper right corner, next to the keyword, into the search field, call it Search Plugins, we're gonna type Ninja Forms, okay? Just like this. Ninja Forms Contact Form, the drag and drop form builder for WordPress. Click on Install now. Click into the Activate button. This is gonna redirect you to the plugins list, a list where you can see all of the present plugins on your site. Nothing to do right here, and basically all you have to do now is go to the Ninja Forms. You're gonna see a new button on your WordPress left sidebar of menus into the dashboard. You can go to the Add New, okay? It's easier there. The plugin gonna ask you some permissions, but nothing to do right here. You can skip these promotions, and we just want to create a new form. So let's click on Add New. We can start with a blank form, so we can drag and drop elements on it in the case that you want, but I would like to use another forms. For example, you have a couple of templates right here. In the case that you prefer, okay, to start with a ready form, we have export data request, job application, pull request, questionnaire, general inquiry, event registration, or contact us. I would like to create a contact us. Allow your users to contact you with this simple contact form. You can add or remove fields if needed. We're gonna click on it. We're gonna be importing this form, so you have no need to code the form, okay? It's really simple, and we have some options right here. For example, name, email, message, and a submit button. We can change this label in the case that you want to create a form in another language. You can type the language right here. Make this form required or not, and change the display, the default, the placeholder, some description if needed. And in the case that you prefer, we can clone this form or delete this part, okay? It's really simple. We have email and actions. We can apply some actions, okay? Record submission, email confirmation, email notification, success message. We can change all of these parts. We can have some advanced options, display settings, restrictions, calculations, okay? Let's move back to the fields. We can click into this plus button in the case that I want that into the bottom right corner of my screen. There is a plus button. I can click to open this sidebar options in the case that I want to drag and drop more elements. You just need to click, hold, and drop wherever you want, okay? To, for example, have a multi-select options on your form. After your form made, all you have to do is click on done and publish the form. After publish it, we're gonna click into this little link icon, copy this shortcode, okay, and move to another page of our site. So let me go back to my dashboard. I'm gonna move to page, add new. You can apply this into a previously built page in the case that you want, but I'm gonna create a new one to show you, and post the code into a block or into a Elementor widget or into a WP Bakery widget, any page builder you like. All you have to do is place this little shortcode. So let's review the results. And here is our form. Nice and working. Of course, I can apply this into a column layout. I can use some options to customize the form in the case that I want, but we have a contact form, nice and useful for you to receive contacts on your website email. And where to edit the email settings and other important settings? Let's go back to Ninja Forms. Let's move to settings into the plugin. And right here we have a couple of options, okay? We have currency, the reCAPTCHA key, the light or dark theme in the case that you prefer, and the advanced settings, for example, to delete data, opt-in, options for settings. And let's go to the submissions. We're gonna see all of the submissions right here, okay? if someone submits your content right here, you're gonna be able to see the submissions right here into this page, okay? So you can have a nice page to collect your submissions, okay? And of course, you're gonna receive it on your email. Let's open up the form. Email notification, to edit the email notification in the case that you want. Email confirmation. The email you're gonna be get from the website admin section on the WordPress settings, okay? Nothing to worry right here. We have some display settings, restrictions, calculations, and we have a very good, nice and working form on your site. And it is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. Don't forget to check out our Borders plugin to gain widgets, elements, templates and tools to build up your site using Element or Gutenberg, or Enzo WordPress theme, the best free WordPress theme that you can use to customize your site in the way that you want, or Growth.net platform, a place where you can submit your blog for receiving and publishing guest posts. And in the case that you want to go premium, go to visualmodo.com. Purchase the Visual Modo Pass and unlock full access to our templates library, with hundreds of pre-built websites that you can import with a single click and have a ready website from the beginning. All you have to do is drag and drop some elements and create the layout that you want, but you have all the sites ready for you. In addition, with our support, premium icons, assets, plugins, templates, and of course our support. And it is. Hope you guys enjoyed this video and I see you tomorrow. All the best!